Okay, this is Every Woman by Azia. It's not the best, but here we go. Every woman needs a man to hold her hand, protect her and tell her that she's beautiful and how she feels. He understands a man who will not leave her but will stand right by her side. So before you go, just know that every woman needs her man, her man. Her man, her man, her man, her man, her man. Every woman needs her man to fight for her, die for her. Someone who will take